So when Bobby and Donna bought this house, they sold the one they built in northern Idaho and came down and bought this one on the Intercoastal Waterway. But all of this backyard was not here. I mean, the backyard was here, but nothing else, just the grass. So they installed the pool, and the hot tub, and the cabana over here with the outdoor kitchen. And it's really, really nice. And we're off this morning, going to Bird Island. Is that right?
Yes.
Yep. Hey, Carlo. so pretty.
toasty on your feet.
Yep. Well, we started to walk to the other side of the island because that side over there is actually the ocean side. And where we are is on the intercoastal. So you get the full view of the ocean over here. But once we left the shore of the beach and got into loose sand to walk over around there, the sand was so hot it was burning my feet. And they took off running, but I had to turn around and come back. My feet couldn't handle it. It's like it's scorching, blistering. Mercy. I can't help but think what hell would be like. That's miserable. Right there, just that part on my feet is miserable. But on the walk back, I climbed up on one of these dunes that Bobby said I could do and have a view of the ocean. Give you the surrounding area here. Okay. Zoom in some. Tide's coming in, so we'll be pulling up anchor soon and heading back. No? Yeah. So Bobby is making lemon curd homemade ice cream and going to put some crumbles of shortbread cookies in it.
At the very end.
At the very end. So I'm waiting with the egg yolks so we can temper those to put them in. And he doesn't go by recipe, he goes by taste.
By taste. Sorry guys, you're not going to be able to duplicate it. I probably can. It's sweet.
Okay, this is the skate that he caught last night. Skate wings. So, we'll see how he's going to fry this up.
Lemon butter and garlic.
Lemon butter and garlic.
We'll set these lemon juice, but that's fine.
Mm-hmm. Harvey, are you helping? Are you helping cook? Yeah. See, I like to eat too. He's patting the fish steaks dry. Now, is that just the normal streaking of the meat? You
That's
didn't.
the muscles, because you know it flaps like a
You
wing.
didn't take a knife and
Nope.
score.
That's normal.
Wow.
That's what makes them fly.
You can't have that, Harvey. He's got olive oil and butter in here that he'll heat up and melt, and then after it's heated, have you seasoned these yet with anything?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
They're dried so they'll get a good crust on them.
Okay, good.
And sear them and finish them off.
All right, and you're going to put some garlic in with that too,
Yeah, get that toward the end.
and some lemon
Yep, toward the end.
toward the end. Okay.
You don't want the garlic to burn.
Right, nothing's worse than burnt garlic.
At the very end.
And Donna's gone to pick up our low country bull.
Yeah, seafood one.
Yeah,
Really good.
we're going to eat good tonight.
Yeah.
Breaded it in some.
Yeah, I dressed it and then I bread it with some seasoned flour.
Okay.
Cooks pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very delicate.
So what temperature you got it on? Like a medium
high?
high?
I got it up to temperature and then we'll put it high at first and then you kind of turn it down.
Okay. They just flipped it over. It's got a nice little browning crust building on it.
Yeah. Not done yet. Took a peek in there. All right.
She got up. She's worked all night, played all morning. Now she had to have her sleep. I'm going to try a bite.
Yeah, no kidding.
Gotta let it cool a minute. It's hot. It's hot. Take a little bite. That is good. That's really good. I would have never thought. It's delicious.
What?
Is that skate?
Get you a bite there.
That's so
Cut you
good.
off a piece.
It's really flaky. It's not like. That's really good.
Not like fish.
Where'd John Ray
I
go?
caught a big old stingray last night. It was
It
actually
is good. I like that.
I didn't know you could eat it.
Fresh caught
Skate.
Skate wings.
Looks like a yeah, it looks like a stingray.
Yeah, I thought it was a stingray.
But no,
And John Ray and Teddy corrected me.
Well, I didn't know. It looks like a stingray, doesn't it?
it does look like a stingray. It's got the mouth on the bottom, the eyes on top.
That's pretty good.
Isn't that surprising?
Yeah. I never knew you could do that.
And there's no limit on them. I checked it. You can catch them anything you want.
So here is our seafood boil that Donna and not Bobby, but Ryan and Carlo went to pick up at what was this place called, Donna, where you got this Flats in Cherry Grove? And she got some hush puppies and all that looks really good. Got some melted butter to dip the crab in and more of the skate. Time to chow down. I'm up early, waiting for the sunrise, and watching the sprinklers water the grass.